I spent months creating videos, pouring my heart into every single one. But guys, nothing changed. Views stayed low. As a matter of fact, my subscriber count barely moved. I started to wonder, like, was I just not good enough? Or maybe YouTube wasn't meant for someone like me. That was my thought. But until one day, by accident, I changed a simple setting and everything about my channel shifted. Now, this one setting took me from being invisible to finally being seen. So, if you are a small creator who has been feeling stuck, this video and message might be exactly what you need. Now, let me take you back. I remember uploading my 10th video in my old channel. It took me, in fact, it took that video and I myself a whole 2 weeks for me to edit it. I put all my energy, I put all my strength, all my time in that video because of the complexity of the video. You understand? I edit, I voiced and then polished the video to my satisfaction. Then I went ahead to hit that publish button. And after I published that video, you know how it feels when you are very confident that, oh, this video I created is going to be the best, it's going to blow my channel, it's going to do this, it's going to do that. Guys, I waited like a woman that is pregnant. I waited and boom, 10 views in 24 hours with no likes, no comment, just silence. It really broke my spirit and my heart. It really, really broke it. But then I didn't quit. Instead, I got so obsessed with understanding what I was missing because I know that something is definitely missing. So I watched videos. Like most of the creators, big creators that are, doing better than me, that were in the same niche. I watched their videos. I read articles. I tested some tools. Then, one night, I stumbled on something buried deep in the creator studio. A particular setting almost no one talks about. And what is that particular setting called? It is called the advanced metadata matching. Now, this might sound technical, right? But first of all, you need to hear me out. Now, it determines how your video, this metadata matching, determines how your video is going to get classified. You understand? Not just by YouTube, but then by the algorithm that chooses what is to be suggested to your new viewers, okay? Because the algorithm is the master key here. So by default, when I went to my channel, my studio, I discovered that particular setting was off. And for weeks, I do been unknowingly blocking YouTube from fully understanding and sharing my content and my videos. That was the greatest mistake. And I must say that this is, negligent and, ignorance. That is the truth of the matter. You understand? So the moment I toggled it on, the moment I turned on that setting, and I filled in all the necessary things I need. Now, when you go to that your advanced metadata matching, this is a place where you'll be asked to put in keywords about your channel. You understand? Put in keywords, caption languages, custom thumbnail click rate setting, and all of that, even video category. Now, guys, these were the things I changed about my channel. Now, I'm going to promise you one thing. In my next video, my next video upload that I posted after changing these things, my video blew up times 3 more views in just 48 hours. It's not even up to 48 hours, guys. It's not up to. And I was like, Jesus, is this for real? Then something wild happened, guys. This is where YouTube recommended my videos. It started recommending my videos to new viewers for the very first time. ever. And it wowed me. So I started receiving comments from people in different countries on that particular videos. My subscriber count ticked immediately. And that was when I realized it wasn't just about the content itself. It was also about presenting your content, your video, and everything in a right way. So let me ask you, have you checked your video setting recently? Is YouTube really understanding what your video is all about? Or are you making the same silent mistake that I did for months? Because trust me, this one overlooked section, it might be costing you your channel, your growth, your visibility, and also your monetization. That is the truth of the matter. So if this message really opened your eyes, even a little, please do me a favor. Make sure to hit that like button. Hit the like button so that YouTube will be notified that this particular video matters a lot. You understand? And please do not forget to subscribe, because in my next video, I'm going to be diving into those 3 hidden tools that helped me reach my first 1,000 subscribers. I promise I'm going to share it. I'm going to go practical and show you those hidden tools, which you should go in after. You understand? So we are not all alone in this journey, guys. And that is what I want you to understand. We all are here growing together, smarter, stronger, and more seen. So go down in the comment section right now, okay? And type, I am ready to be seen. That is to say, if you are ready to be seen, go and type it in, I am ready to be seen. And I promise I'm going to respond to you personally, okay? Guys, let us turn your channel into the success you've been dreaming of. Thank you for coming around. See you guys in my next video.